Good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can send a large file, maybe a video which is like 800 MB or 1 GB to one of your friends. I tried doing it with WhatsApp here, but WhatsApp when I try to upload the video, it has mentioned like it is more than 180 MB, so we can't send that. And then I tried using this what is this email, and it is sending through what is this drive link, but it is taking too much time, and this also is not feasible. See here, it is just getting uploaded. I waited for 1 hour and still the process. So I just found out a website called proton.me. Okay, so this one, Proton Drive. So right click and open this, and you have subscriptions and a free account. So I'll be going for the free account, and that to this free account. So here we can send up to 5 GB. So my video file is around 800 MB, so which is less than, right? So initially you can click on this. Okay, I need to just choose a password of my choice. Yeah, see here, I just received the verification code from the Proton. You will also receive a verification code to your email. You need to provide it here. See, it is saying like verification successful as I entered the code here. So I am ready to go. So what I need to do is, yeah, I need to read the terms and conditions, and then if I am okay, I can click on this and click on continue. So yeah, this is what. And I also read something on the internet that it has end-to-end encryption, so I feel this would be one of the best website for the security reasons. Okay, there are many other providers, but this I felt safe because yeah, this has end-to-end encryption. This is what I'm saying, end-to-end encrypted files. Okay, get started, select theme, install later, continue, get started. So what I'll do is I'll click on upload a file. I'll going to upload this video. See, as I mentioned, this is 837 MB, means closely 1 GB. So I can send a video up to 5 GB. Okay, so the uploading is also faster, if you can see. So once it is completed, I'll get back to you. Yeah, see here, it took like 7 minutes to upload this, and it is saying like share. So I'll be clicking on the share. So anyone on the internet with this link can download or can have access for this. You can also set the permission here, viewer only, can view only, can edit. So it is absolutely your choice. Okay, so I just activated the link, right? I'll be copy the link. Say for example, I'm pasting this link to one of my WhatsApp friends. So if he opens the browser and paste this link here, I just using another Microsoft Edge browser, acting as if I am the friend, the other person, the second person. So see here, they can just download this. See, download. So download is also getting the process. I'm just canceling this. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can send a large video to one of your friend. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like. That would be a great help for me, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.